God raises deliverers, not dictators. That's something I didn't notice for a long time. In Judges 2:16, we're told that when God's people were suffering, God didn't respond by tightening control. He didn't raise strong men. He didn't demand fear-based loyalty. Scripture says God raised deliverers, people whose purpose was to rescue, not domination. And that matters because it tells us something about the kind of power God uses. God's responses to pain is not control, it's compassion. God doesn't move towards dominance, God moves towards suffering. That's what safe theology sounds like. If faith feels like pressure, fear, or control, it might be reflecting human power and not God's heart. But when faith brings relief, healing, and freedom, that's often where God is already at work. So this week, pay attention to where faith brings relief instead of control, because the God of Judges is still a God who raises deliverers.